What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So in today's video guys, we're going to be talking to you about why we started selling on eBay. It's just going to be an uncut video, no editing to it. It's going to be raw, so hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Kristina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We've been doing...
Please include that.
Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Kristina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We do thrifting, retail arbitrage, so you should definitely check out all of our videos. We got over 100 some videos for you guys to check out. We've been selling on eBay for about 6 months now. Seems not like a lot less.
Yeah.
But we've been selling for about 6 months and we've been honestly crushing it.
Yeah.
We've been loving every second of it. We jot down a couple reasons why we started doing it, so we're just gonna kind of get into that. But do you have anything you want to say before we start?
It's gonna be real tearjerker, guys.
Alright, so Kristina's gonna read off her list.
Alright, so number 1 on the list is that we decided to do it for money. We have lots and lots and lots of debt. So we have student loans on my end, we have credit card debt, we have just lots of debt.
Auto debt, yeah, there's just a lot of debt. More credit card debt with me and auto loan debt. So that's what we're working towards, to kind of just get ourselves out of debt.
Yes, that was our, sorry.
Yeah, so that's why we kind of did eBay, because it's kind of like a quicker cash. So we've been doing that to kind of pay our bills and pay off our debt as well.
Exciting things.
We'll cross that off. Oh.
And number 2 on the list is it's a really cool way to start a business. It's really just like a cool, fresh way to be able to be your own boss, basically. And we're really both like very internet.
You both really like the internet?
Like we both, yeah. So we both really use the internet a lot, and so I had previous experience like listing stuff and whatnot, and he had experience actually selling stuff from Let Go and things like that. And so yeah, we just
eBay just seemed like the right move for us. It was very easy to start because like Amazon, we were gonna start that, but we still can't even like start that. We don't really want to even learn. Not that we don't want to learn, but we just don't really want to take the time to learn because it's gonna affect our eBay store. So we've been putting 110% into eBay, just been grinding fully into that, not because it was very easy to start. All we had to do was just take a couple pictures, get good at listings, and then just kind of get your customer service down, your shipping down. You need to know your weights and all that. But I mean, it all comes in time. I mean, it only took us about like 3 months to really get everything down. Yeah. And then these last 3 months have been crazy.
Absolutely insane, honestly. It's like, really blowing our minds.
Like our 60-day total right now has 80 things sold, so we have been very busy. That's more than 1 a day.
Yeah, it's more than 2 a day. No. It's like 2.25.
See, I was gonna say it, but I was like, it's not.
It's not. I lied. Okay. So number 3 on the list is that it lets us both be free. Yeah. So even though I still do work a full-time job, I still get to come home and do something that I really enjoy and that I'm going to be working towards in the future, or that I'm working towards for in the future. So it's just a cool, I don't know, it's like a cool thing for me to know that one day I won't have to work this full-time job.
Because you'll have another side of income coming in that is more than your full-time job. So that's like we're grinding to get her full-time. I've been doing it full-time, but I'm also taking care of a lot of the YouTube as well. And then I do side jobs to get some quick cash, some here and there. So it's not that I'm full-time reseller. So I want to make that clear to you guys.
Full-time YouTuber and part-time reseller.
Pretty much.
And then you stopped crossing them off.
Oh, sorry.
Oh no, it's fine. Number 4 on the list is it was kind of like a test to see if you could actually make money off of this because we kind of just thought it was a fluke, you know?
Well, we discovered it on YouTube, and you guys know, you're watching YouTube right now, like some of the things you see, you just don't know if they're real or not. Yeah. So that's why I wanted to make this video an uncut video, just very raw, just so you guys, like, it's just us that that you guys are listening to. Yeah. So, and we make mistakes all the time. We say probably every 5 seconds, but we leave that in just because that's who we are. We're not gonna try to change it. We're not gonna edit it out. Like, this is how we are. This is just a raw video, and I don't know. I just think I just completely lost topic, but that's okay.
Oh no.
What were we talking about?
That it just to see if it was possible to actually make money.
Because like I was saying, so like you see videos on YouTube, you don't know if those are real or not. All those big names making money, but like, so we really wanted to start trying that, and you really can make money. It's just all in the work.
Exactly.
Like, because they'll even say it. You have to just put in the work and list, and then you're just like, well, they're making all this money, I'm not. But are you putting in the work? Are you listing?
It's hard to hear.
Steve Rakin, when we first started out, he was saying, we found a video, he was saying he was listing 10 times a day when he first started out. We're not even really close to that, listing 10 times a day. That's crazy. Like, if you think that's a small amount, start listing 10 times every single day and get back to me in a month, please.
Good luck.
I would love to hear how that goes.
That's 300 listings, like, in a month.
That's crazy.
Unless it's 31 days, and that's 310 listings.
So, like, you just have to put in the work. We've been trying to list at least, like, well, with Kristina's schedule, she tries to list at, like, 10 to 20 things a week, we'll say.
Yeah, so I usually try to do it all on my day off, or if I don't go into work till like 2 o'clock or something, I'll try to get like 5 listings done before then, just so it makes it a little bit easier for myself when I have to do like my full listing. I don't have 50 of them to do right then and there. But I do try and spread it out evenly, because it is tough, and you can burn out, I guess, really quickly, just because it is exhausting to sit in front of a computer screen and try and find a matching listing, or like for Martin to sit there and look at the little sound waves go up and down on his editing screen. Like, it's exhausting to do, so it is really hard, but
I mean, it's like it's exhausting, but it's also like something that we're just okay with doing. Like, it's not like I'm upset with editing or you're upset with listing. It's not nearly as like you going to work and having to unpack a million things, and having like, or me when I used to have to work and go to a construction job and have to dig a 5-foot hole. Like, that's something we just don't want to do. But this is something that we want to do, so losing sleep over it is not really a problem. Like, or just doing it when you really don't want to do it isn't like there's not really a time where I really don't want to do it.
It's not like physically exhausting, you know, like you can feel tired afterwards, but my body isn't like drained from listing anything.
Now, something that I do feel that is a little exhausting is just how it's all on the time, so you have to be very patient, and like that's where it kind of kills me sometimes, because it's like we'll post a video and it won't have like that many views or something, and it's just like, what is going on? But then after like a week, that video has regular amount of views, regular amount of comments, and like same with her, like, and it's just like it's hard to be patient. You really just have to be patient. The day-to-day can be rough, but we always just try to think of the future, and we kind of like, we live in the moment, but then think about the future, and we just work hard. Honestly, guys, we work our asses off. First time we swear on this channel. This
is a video that's not going to be monetized now. That'll go viral.
It can have one swear word.
I'm just kidding.
We're not even monetized. That was my hand. Sorry guys. That was literally my hand. I forgot I can't edit this up. I don't know what I was doing.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so back to the list.
Yeah, so now that we're back on track, number 5 is it actually pushed us to get onto YouTube.
Yeah.
So believe it or not, before Thrift Store Gold, Martin and I had just like side dreams to kind of become YouTubers, you know, like I always wanted to, it was literally my dream in high school to become a makeup artist and like do my makeup on YouTube, and Martin can tell his story.
I mean, I've just always wanted to be a creator and like kind of be my own boss and do my own thing and know that wherever I want to do, I can do wherever, if that makes sense. So like with YouTube, I mean, we can make this video anywhere in the world, any situation.
We could be sitting in Antarctica right now.
Yeah, seriously. Like, we don't have to be sitting in this room. We could have been outside for some reason. We could have been in a car. Like, there's just, it can go anywhere. So that's what I love about YouTube, is just being able to do that. And like, I've just always loved like creating stuff and like kind of like being like a artist almost, or a photographer, and making my things my own. So when I can take these videos and make them how I want to make them, it's very satisfying and very like like rewarding almost to feel that. So it's like super awesome.
Proud moment.
We said, guys, you might start crying.
But that's actually kind of funny you said that, because I actually think this is really off topic, but I sent Martin a picture today of a van, like a shoe, and I was like, do you see pink and white or gray and green? And whatever it was, he saw the opposite of what I saw, and it was supposed to be which side brain you're dominant, and it was right-sided that he was, which is like a lot more creative. So I think that's really kind of,
that's funny,
crazy, because you must be like right side dominant, like with your brain you must be very creative and stuff, because I am the exact opposite. I have no creative bone in my body. Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, that's funny though.
But yeah, so I don't know, that was a side topic, but yeah, so that's kind of cool, because I admire how like creative you are, because I'm not creative.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. But anyways, so yeah, it pushed us to get onto YouTube. It pushed us to become
so happy for that.
Really wanted to be, and like really fulfill these dreams, because seriously, when I say I wanted to become a makeup artist on YouTube, this was like, I would go to bed praying and dreaming that I would wake up and do it one day, but I could never sit in front of a camera and do it. Like, I used to be really good at makeup, you know, and I just could not.
Oh my gosh, she has so much makeup. Boxes full of makeup. But yeah, that's another story.
But yeah, so it's just really cool that it got us to where we wanted to be and pushed us to our dream. And then finally, we really view it as we're doing something different. So as big as this is right now, it really is different from where our parents have been or anything. So we just think it's really unique for us to do, and we're so excited.
Yeah, because like her parents were more of like the go to college and then get a good job and everything, and then my parents were kind of more towards that entrepreneur life, but like construction and just like hard labor work, nothing like brain, just assuming, because my dad owns his own construction company and everything, and like, so it's just like we both came from completely different sides, but we both know where we want to go in life, and we know where we're gonna go in life, because we're gonna make it that way. We're paving the path every single day.
Yes, exactly.
You can see it right up there. We got our goals right up there. So, I mean, that was our video. I guess we rambled on for about 12 minutes, 13 minutes, so we hoped we didn't bore you guys enough. We hoped you sat through and watched the whole video, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the...
Oh, sorry. I was going to say our uncut, unedited version of us.
Yes. So smash that like button if you haven't already. Leave in the comments down below if you like this video, and if you just want to see more of us, and if you're enjoying what we're doing, if you want to share any love, because we love the support, we love the positivity. And another thing that I wanted to put in one of these, I forgot where, but our biggest goal is we really want to inspire others as well. So if we have inspired you in any way, please contact us. We have loved when people reach out to us. It is literally the best thing. It makes our whole week pretty much. It's better than if we could make like 10 sales or get a viral video. Just having one person reach out to us and say, hey, we've started reselling on eBay again because of you guys. That's... like, thank you guys.
It warms me.
That I got chills saying that. Like,
chills all over.
Thank you guys.
Yes, thank you so much.
That was our video. Hope you guys have a great day or night whenever you're watching. Till next video. Peace, guys.